This conference will now be recorded.
Hello?
Hey Nanda.
Yeah, hi. I'm really sorry. Tell me your name.
Melvin?
Melvin.
Yeah.
Okay.
We had the demo with Zeal, remember?
Yes. 2
Yeah.
days back.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, I remember you, but I forgot your name.
Zeal
One
was
more thing.
supposed to join in, but then he has issues with the I-797. He's applied for a
Yes.
renewal. So I'm
Yeah,
not sure when he's going. Yeah. Other thing, Nanda, is I might put you on mute in between when you speak in, because I'm at my workplace at the moment. I work for a motel. So if I have guests coming in, I'll put you on mute.
Yeah, okay. No issues.
Okay, thank
And
you.
one more thing,
Yeah.
All classes are recording. Okay. All classes
Okay.
are recording. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, fine. So in the demo class, you have any doubts regarding for this in the cloud computing and Salesforce introduction? What is the CRM?
No.
Okay. Today I have discussed some of the more information about the Salesforce. Okay.
Your voice is breaking.
Now, okay.
Yeah, better.
Hello.
Yeah, it's better.
Now, okay, Melvin?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine. Before, okay, after this class, I discuss one or two topics, okay?
Mm.
For not Salesforce, related to different, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, fine. So before going to the Salesforce, uh, in Salesforce, we have two modes.
Oh.
Yeah?
You're cutting in and out again. Super, how may I help you?
Salesforce have modes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's better.
One is a classic. Second one is a lightning.
No, it's cutting in and out.
Oh,
No, it's still the same, Nanda.
my voice is not audible.
It's yeah, it's audible, but it's cutting in and out. It's like a static voice.
Yeah, otherwise I put out switch off my fan. Bro,
Okay.
so switch off the fan. Now okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, okay, fine. Let's see. In Salesforce have two modes. One is a classic and second one is a lightning mode. In classic is a old mode. That is initially whenever the Salesforce is introduced, at the moment, at the time, in the classic is used. Okay?
Okay.
At the time, in the classic is used. But in the classic is a less mobile friendly. Less mobile
Friendly.
friendly. Less mobile. Okay. And remaining security features and everything will be same. Remaining
Okay.
security features, everything will be same. But if you design any mobile application or tab-based application, by using on the classic, it is very difficult to handle on it.
Okay.
And one more thing, one second, I'll show you. I will open the some disturbance is there, Melvin.
I have got no one here. It's just that the line is breaking. That's it.
Okay. One second, Melvin. I close my view.
Okay.
I already told you, no? This is my own developer org. Okay, this is my own
Right.
developer org. Means in Salesforce, we can given one real-time production org. Okay.
Okay.
This is, if you see this UI, user interface,
Mm-hmm.
this is the classic UI. This is the classic UI.
Okay.
If you go for the switch to lightning experience, you see this one? Just
Yes.
click on it. Yeah, just click on it. This is a new one. It is a lightning UI.
Okay.
Okay. Now my projects, present projects, 90%, 95% projects will be going on in lightning only. In
Okay.
lightning only. Okay. Why? Because of I already told you now, first drawback is less mobile friendly and less mobile and tab friendly. Okay.
Okay.
Less mobile and tab
Tab
based
friendly.
applications is very, yeah, tab based. If you design any mobile or tab based applications by using on the classic, it is very difficult to handle on it.
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
One more thing, if you click on any uh, just I click on the only one button, object manager, only this page will be rendered. Only this page will be rendered. I mean refresh only this page only.
Okay.
Just home button, see, only this one will be, not browser,
Okay.
not entire page is not reloaded. Other, but if you go for the classic,
Mm.
just see, all pages will be refreshed. All pages will be refreshed. I
Refresh.
mean working. So burden on the all the I mean tabs, objects, all the things.
Okay.
So at the moment, what the drawback is, if you using on these things, some of the applications will be very late.
Slow.
If you open any, yes,
Latency.
sorry,
You're saying the applications will have a latency on the.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. So is that the reason to avoid on the classic and using on the lightning only?
Lightning.
Using on the lightning only.
Okay.
If you click on the only anything else, you click on only this will be refreshed. The rest of the all things are not working.
Okay.
So is that reason we using on the classic? Oh, sorry, lightning only.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next. And today agenda is already yesterday I already told you now. What is the Salesforce architecture? It is a multi-tenant architecture.
Okay.
Means one single instance we can share on multiple users or clients.
Right.
Multiple users or clients. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, we go for the versions. First of all, we go for the versions. Okay. In
Right.
Salesforce have three versions is there. One is a winter, spring, and summer. Let's see now how to identify on this which version we using on it. Go for the Classic.
Okay.
One second.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you see this one, you see this one, 20
Yeah.
means 2020. 2020.
Okay. With the
Okay.
fox on it. Yeah.
Yeah, every version we can change on the this picture,
Okay.
this picture, and version and number also. Not change on the number. If you change on the year, then in the number will be changed.
Okay.
In next year, 2021 means it comes under to this 21.
Okay.
Okay, it comes under to this 21. But in Salesforce have three versions is there. One is a winter, spring, and summer.
Summer.
Winter, spring, and summer. Current version is the
Summer.
no. This is winter.
Oh, okay.
Winter.
Nanda,
Winter.
I'm putting you on mute. Okay. 1 second.
Yeah, okay.
You can
Yeah,
go on.
okay.
I'm listening to you. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Current version is the winter. In April 10th, we started on the spring. After 4 months, we started on the summer. Okay. Every 4 months, the version will be changed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Next, go for the Salesforce servers. I already told you, na, every application have one instance servers is there. Without servers, we can't store our data. But in the servers, maintenance, everything else will be maintained by the vendor companies. Vendor companies like Salesforce or Amazon Web Services or Google, Oracle. These are the taker of the servers.
Okay.
And in Salesforce servers are these four servers are mainly using. Okay, these four servers are the mainly using. One is the AP server, NA server, EU server, and CS server. AP
Okay.
server means Asian Pacific. Asian
Pacific. Okay.
Pacific will comes under to this India. Asian regions. Will come under this Asian Pacific servers.
Okay.
India and China, Pakistan, Bangladesh. These are other countries will be taken on the Asian Pacific.
Okay.
And NA means North America. North America means Canada, Brazil,
Canada, US.
America regions will come. Yeah, these are the comes under to this North America region. And Europe region will become under to this London, UK, and Netherlands, Ireland. These are all the regions will become under this Europe region.
Okay.
Clear these 3 points, I hope.
Okay.
And third one is the CS, is the sandboxes. It is a Xerox copy of the production. Like if you education document, in your education document, you taken on some color Xerox, and still if you look and feel like same, right? Look and feel same, right? But
Right.
original is different and Xerox copy is different.
Right.
But if you can modify anything else, but you can't modify the original copy, right? Only you can modify on the Xerox copy.
Xerox copy.
Likewise, in sandboxes mainly using on, we can develop our applications, or we can modify our applications, or we can delete anything in our application by using on the sandboxes. Okay, by using on sandboxes. If you went for this production, we can't change one single point also. We can't change in production, because of in production it completely works on the real-time data.
Right.
Completely works on the real-time data. Okay, metadata.
Have a good one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. In sandboxes also I will explain later. Okay. Today session I can explain in sandbox why we using on the sandboxes also. So in Salesforce servers, we have any doubts regarding the versions and servers? Are you clear?
Sandbox. So the basic thing, apart from the region, the basic thing you're saying that we would be using is the sandbox environment, right?
Yeah, in real time. I mean, if you went for this any company, any industry company, we're using on sandboxes only.
Okay.
We're using on sandboxes only. In real time, for example, uh, see, this is the HDFC banking.
Okay.
Okay. If you log in on this one, okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is a real-time production organization. This is a real-time. Okay, if you
Okay.
want to change anything else, we can't change this one. We can't change this one. But
Right.
if you develop it on the sandboxes,
Mm-hmm.
we can modify on it. We can modify on it. In production environment, we can't change. We cannot change
Okay.
because of here real-time data is there. In the
Right.
metadata is there. Real data is there. Means
So,
my
if,
purse. Yeah.
yeah. So every time we get a message, say at times when we're trying to log into a banking site, it says your
Okay.
system's down. So it means they're working on the back end, right? Like something that they're
Yeah.
developing
Yes.
new.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So in backend, they're working on it because of some errors or some bugs is raised now. Some errors or
Mm-hmm.
some bugs is raised now. So at the
Right.
moment, backend team they working on it.
Okay.
Backend team working on it. Clear
Okay.
sandboxes
Right.
on production.
Yeah.
In our company, I mean in companies, 99% is working on the sandboxes only.
Sandboxes.
Working on sandboxes only, not production.
Okay.
Okay. If you directly work on the production, real time data will be collapsed. Means if
Right.
you directly work on this is a real time production, right? If you work on this one now, my data will
Mm.
be collapsed. Means my banking transactions, everything will be lost.
Right.
Correct. So at the moment, so no one can touch on the production environment and can't delete it on the production.
Okay. But it is possible,
Okay.
right, to do it?
No, it can't be possible. It
Okay.
can't be possible.
Okay.
It cannot be.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. You have heard about the versions and servers. Clear,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Right.
Next, go for the products.
Okay.
Next, go for the products means I already told you now. Same Salesforce we can develop on every single. I mean, sales have one cloud, marketing have one cloud, service have one cloud, community have one cloud. Okay, everything will be divided on separate clouds.
Mm-hmm.
Separate clouds because of if you go for the in separate clouds, we can easily to identify the data.
Right.
Easily to identify, right?
Right.
So in Sales Cloud, completely process on the sales process. Completely
Sales.
process on the sales process. I already designed on the one document also. It is easily to understand. Okay.
Okay.
If you want, I can provide. I can send on it. Okay. Everything
Okay.
is there. If you see this Sales Cloud, it is the completely in the entire sales
Sales
process.
module. Yeah. Sales process.
Yes. Sales process entirely in the sales process. Okay. Service Cloud completely on the service process. Completely on the
Okay.
service process. Okay, I will explain how to create on how to work on the sales process and service process and marketing process also. I can explain you. Okay, basic things I can explain. Why? Because of I'm not going for this in the completely in because of in the sales cloud will go for this almost all. If you want depth, if you want to depth on the sales cloud, almost all 20 hours classes is there.
Okay.
They have
Uh,
different modules is there.
Nanda, before I cut you off, Pawan has asked me to get into administration and developer both. So
Okay.
I'm letting you know about it. So that is what we've clocked at.
No, I know. Rajesh already told you that you taken on
Yeah.
the both admin and development. But
Mhm.
but I'm telling about that
No, I was
in
just
that.
letting you know so that we don't miss out on anything.
Yeah, I will give it on the complete. Not I mean not completely in basic things I can explain you.
Right.
But in the Salesforce process, everything I can explain. Everything I can explain. Okay.
Okay.
In content, I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Clear? Sales Cloud and Service Cloud.
Yes. Sales service. Yep.
Next, Marketing Cloud. Next, Marketing Cloud means complete marketing process. Complete marketing process.
Marketing process.
Everything will be designed. Yeah, everything will be designed on some separate clouds. Can easily to identify on our data and customers information. Everything will be designed on it.
Okay.
Next one. See, environment. Environment means on which instance you can work on it. On which instance you can work on it. Okay.
Okay.
Is nothing but a force.com instance. I already told you now, force.com is the one platform. Last day I said you know they have the cloud computing have three types. One is the IaaS, PaaS, and
PaaS and
SaaS.
SaaS.
Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. In the
Right.
force.com will be comes under to this PaaS. In
Okay.
force.com will be comes under to this PaaS.
PaaS.
Okay. You know about that what is a production environment. Production environment completely in the real time data.
Real time.
Real time
Okay.
data. It can't be modified, it can't be deleted.
Right.
It can't be modified, it can't be deleted. In the
Right.
developer edition will be comes under to this. If you want to develop our application, if you want to develop our any application like banking application or hospital application or insurance application, anything application we can go on the developer environment.
Okay.
Okay. And testers environment will be comes under to this once development is completed. What development is completed, but if you working on the if you before going to this production, meanwhile some testers will be test on our uh, our application. Is properly working or not? Is
Right.
properly working or not? Without testing, in single line of the code or single thing also we can't go for the production. We can't move on the production. Okay. Once
Okay.
developers design on our application, then the testers will be test on our application, and everything will be satisfied in 100%. Not 1% also is the negative mark is there. Immediately
Mm-hmm.
it can be raise the ticket. It can be raise the ticket. Okay.
Okay.
In that testers is completely given on the 100%, then our application will be move on to the production.
Production line.
Clear environment. Same. See,
Clear.
this is what production environment. They have the paying users accessing business critical data means real time data. Real time data. If you delete on the real time data, completely our data will be lost. Our data will be lost. Okay. So
Everything will
that's
go
the
off.
reason. Sorry.
So you saying if you delete something, everything would go off. So you start from scratch.
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
So that's the reason in the production environment they can't given for this delete operation.
Oh. Okay.
Can be given on the delete operation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If you go for this in the internet banking, if you want to delete any transaction, all right.
Right.
So that's the reason in the production environment we can't be modified. We can't be modified.
Right.
Okay. But in developer edition and testing environments, we can do it.
We can
Insert, update,
modify and
delete.
change. Yeah.
Yes. 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 Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go for this in the sandboxes. Let's go for the sandboxes. Already told. Oh, sorry. 1 second. Okay. See, sandbox is a copy of your production organization. I already told you, exact copy of your Xerox copy. Your mark sheet is the original and your color Xerox is the sandbox. Okay. You
Okay.
can create multiple copies of your organization in separate environments on for different purpose such as development, testing, and training purpose.
Okay.
See this one, without compromising the data and application in your production org. Okay, 100% is there. Then we go for the our application will be move on to this organization. Okay, let's
Okay.
see. I will show you one picture. Okay, I will design.
You actually become a pro in this, huh? You remember everything on the back of your head, I guess.
Sorry.
I said you become a pro in this. 12 years, na?
Sorry, I can't understand.
I said you become a pro with regards to your PPTs and stuff.
Yeah.
Mm.
Recently I've started. Last 3 months I'm started in the training sessions. Some of the issues is there, some financial issues is there. I'm starting on it.
Okay. You were never here in the States?
States means I'm staying in
You
India.
no. You've never been here?
I'm
US?
sorry.
I said you haven't been to the
US?
US yet?
No, no, no.
You should
I'm
come,
trying
man.
to go for this. I'm trying to come to Canada. I'm trying to
Canada,
Canada.
okay.
Yeah. In
Canada
Canada
again.
also a lot of openings.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yes, maybe.
I have my friends who migrated from India. They were working with me in Sitel
Okay.
India. But then again, the
Okay.
field that they've gotten into, just because we were from the workforce management background, nothing much.
Okay.
But this has a lot of scope in Canada.
Yeah. If you went to this Canada once, if you're staying in 2 years, then we can
Mm.
migrate to any country. It can be easily.
Easy, yeah.
Yes. So I'm trying on it.
Yeah, you'll get through, man. Yeah, that's for sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. See, in sandboxes have four types. Sandboxes have four types. One is a developer sandbox. developer pro sandbox, and partial copy sandbox, and full sandbox.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So initially, okay, in our developer sandbox the size is less. 200 MB size is there. 200 MB size is there. Okay. In the developer sandbox, mainly using on development unit testing. Development
Okay.
and testing purpose only it can be using. It can be using means mainly using on the in the developers only.
Okay.
Developers only. Okay, we using on the development purpose only. In the entire complete project work at a time it can't be given. At a time it can't be given. Okay, some they can separate on different tasks. They can
Okay.
separate on different tasks. Once our task is completed, then move on to the
Next one.
next one. Okay. See, forgot QA. Okay, and UAT. Okay. This is real time. Okay, but
Okay.
development means if you one more thing takes in our means present our project will be working on US, Belgium, Germany, India, Bangalore, and Mumbai. What are how many teams?
Pass.
India have
So it's
Bangalore and
basic
Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai, USA, Germany, and Belgium.
Okay.
Okay. And overall, 5 countries is working. Five
Okay.
countries is working. Okay. The 5 country people will be working on these four. These four axis is there.
Okay.
This four axis is there. Okay. QA or SIT. QA or SIT. Okay. So as of our team will be designed now some tasks. Our task will be completed. Regular task is completed.
Okay.
Okay. In the regular task will be completed. What we do? Who can assign our thing? Means team leader and manager and supervisor is there, na? On-site people is there and offshore people is there.
Okay.
Okay. So at the moment, in the on-site people assign the tasks. Assign the task one different role is there. Assign the task. The task will be okay. The scenario I can analyze on it. Okay, we can develop around it. Okay, 1 or 2 days it can be taken. Okay, the task is completed.
Okay.
The task will be how can I wrote, where can I modify on it, and everything will be wrote on this that same ticket. We can move on to this on-site people. That the on-site people will be test on it. The on-site people will be designed properly or not will be test on it. Okay. Once
Okay.
everything will be completed, then go for this one. QA, quality analysis.
Okay.
Quality analysis. Okay. Once quality analysis will be have the developer pro sandbox. Okay. The
Okay.
developer pro sandbox have more. Means 1 GB data it can be stored. 1 GB data it can be stored. In developer sandbox have how much? 200 MB. Means
200.
one single user it can be accessed. But here developer pro sandbox means five people data will be stored on one single sandbox. 5 people data will be stored on one single sandbox.
Okay.
Correct. So at the moment, these four tasks will be comes to this only one single developer pro sandbox. For example, in the sandbox in the SAT will be runs on properly on these four tasks. Okay.
Okay.
These 4 scenarios will be runs and properly. Then we go for the UAT, user acceptance testing. UAT.
Right.
Okay. In the developer org in SAT, every developer will be assigned. But in UAT axis, very rarely to given on the UAT axis. Very rarely to given on the UAT axis.
Okay.
Why? Because of it is comes under to this real-time production org. It is exactly of the real-time production org. If you change this one, complete data will be collapsed. So that's the reason it can't be given on the all the people, all developers. It can be given. Okay.
Okay.
So once SAT in developer org is satisfied, in SAT our task is working, in UIT also our tasks is working, everything will be fine. Then go for the in the stacking. Then go for the stacking. The stacking has the full sandbox. Fully sandbox means in production or how much of data, how much of space is there in entirely is there in the fully sandbox.
Okay.
There is no limited. There is no limited. See, partial copy sandbox, how much it is? 5 GB data.
5 GB.
5 GB data it can be stored. Okay. This environment is completely for the testing activities. Testing activities it can be used. Testing activities. The completely in the testing activities. And one more thing, in the UAT we can't design anything else. In the UAT we can't design anything else. Okay, just for the testing purpose only. Just for testing purpose only. Everything will be migrated. Means.
But in QA
manually,
you can, right?
Sorry.
In QA you can develop something, but not in UAT.
No. In developer org only we can develop on it, but in QA, UAT, stacking and production,
nothing.
We can't do it manually. We can't do it manually. Okay, we using on some different tools.
Okay.
Using on some different tools to transfer our development tasks.
Okay.
That is called as a migration. That is called as a migration.
Okay.
Once developer org is satisfied and SAT is satisfied and UAT is satisfied, then go for the stacking. Means fully sandbox, means exact original production organization has the exact data.
Okay.
Exact data. So that's the reason these two axes no one can or no one can access on the these two organizations, these two axes. Clear?
Okay.
But every developer we can give it on the developer or developer and SAT org.
Okay.
But in UAT axis, very rare people will be given. Very rare people will be given.
Okay.
Once these 4 will be satisfied, then go for this production. Then go for this production. Okay, then go for this production.
Okay.
And in the entire process, anything else in developer org is not satisfied, completely will be stopped. Completely will be stopped. Okay, where in the error bugs is raised, that the bugs is solved, then we go one thing in initially in developer is okay and SAT is okay and UAT is also okay and fully sandbox also you okay, but last moment in developer org is some bug is raised. Developer org some bug is raised. Okay, at the moment will be stopped on the entire process. Again that bug will be resolved. Then go for this. Again we can test on the SAT. Again we test on the UAT. Again we test on the stacking. Then we go for the production.
Okay.
These 4 process will be 100% will be satisfied. Then we go for the production. Okay. Understood why we using on the sandboxes?
Sandbox.
Clear, Melvin?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, fine. Then go for the licenses. Then we go for the licenses. I already told you now. In Salesforce is a multi-tenant architecture. Means it based on the it is a rental based. Okay, in the cloud computing will be completely works on the rental basis only. Rental
Okay.
basis only. Okay, rental basis means in the the client companies, the third party vendor companies, they bought on the some licenses, some user licenses. Means
Okay.
I want 10,000 users licenses. I want 10,000 user licenses. Or I want some 100 GB data space.
Okay.
100 GB data space. At the moment, they given for this one in 10 licenses of one unique price, in 100 licenses of some unique price.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, in 10 licenses of one unique price and 100 users of some 10 unique price. They can discuss on it. If you both are satisfied, then we buy on the licenses.
Okay.
But without license, we can't go for the Salesforce organization.
All right.
For example, in our organization, without your ID card, we can go for this in our organization.
No.
Same like without user license, we can't move on the Salesforce organization.
Okay.
And commonly used on the license are the Salesforce license and Salesforce platform licenses. Salesforce license and Salesforce platform licenses.
All right.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
clear? What is the licenses and everything else?
Yes.
And final one is the app exchange. App exchange, simple point of view. One more thing, Melvin, which mobile are you using? iPhone or Apple? Sorry, iPhone or
iPhone.
Android mobile?
iPhone.
Okay. Sorry, in iPhone I don't know, but using in your friends are using on Android mobiles, right? Some of the people using on
I've
Android
used
mobiles.
Android as well. Yeah.
Okay. In the Android, we have Google Play Store is there, right?
Right.
In the Play Store, what we have, lot of the
Different
apps is
apps.
there, different
Yeah.
apps, games is there. Same like in
Yeah.
App Exchange also. In App Exchange
Okay.
also, we have lot of the Salesforce third-party applications is there. Salesforce third-party applications is there. Some of the
Okay.
free apps is there, some paid apps is there. In Play Store also, we have some free apps is there and
Free
paid
and
apps
paid.
is
Yeah.
also is there. So likewise in App Exchange also, like it is the Salesforce Cloud Computing Store, like Play Store, Google Play Store. In Android mobile, we have the Google Play Store, right?
Right.
Likewise, in Salesforce, the App Exchange is the Salesforce Cloud Computing Store. It have some applications is there. Some applications is there. As per our business requirement, that application we can buy and using on it.
Right.
Okay, clear? App Exchange. Why I'm going hurry means if you're not you only you using on the developer in sandboxes only. Rest of the things in real time we can't using on it. If you go
Okay.
for some architect level, then we go for the in the means in editions. Okay, in environments we can work on it.
Okay.
Normal initial days. Now, if you go for this normal, developer, we can
Mm-hmm.
work on it. Already some architects we can develop on it. We can create our developer sandbox org. We can work on it. That's
Okay.
all. Just for our understanding purpose and knowledge purpose only, I explain on it. But
Okay.
once our Salesforce one mini project is started, I started one mini project.
Okay.
At the moment, which I explain every concept will be in detail. In detail, I can explain you.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
fine. Let's go for this. How to create the own developer org. Own developer org. I switch out
Okay.
my developer org. Okay. See developer.salesforce.com. Developer.salesforce.com.
Salesforce.
Okay. Just click
Mm-hmm.
on it. You see login and sign up.
Yeah. Login.
Just
Yeah.
sign up. Sign up. Without registration, how can you log in?
Okay.
Anand Kumar. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Just given your role as our developer, company, Capgemini, India. Here, one thing you can identify it, which country you can, here I given on the India. Okay.
Okay.
But you given on the US now, then it
Mm.
automatically in the region will be changed. Region will
Okay.
be changed.
To North
But
America.
rest of the all process will be same. Rest of all the
Mm-hmm.
process will be same. But server instance will be changed.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And username must be unique. Username must be unique. Okay. And email
Okay.
format. Username must be unique and email format only. Okay. Okay. snkumar@cap.com.
Okay.
Email format. email format. Okay. Mandatory and .com is the mandatory. The rest of everything will be anything else. It can be acceptable.
Okay.
Okay. Completed. Next, check our mail. See, just verify your account.
Mm-hmm.
You see, verify account option.
Verify account. Yeah.
Just click on it. Here you can enter the. Here you can enter the. You choose the password. Same in
Okay.
real time also. In real time also, in the onset or the offset people, they created one developer work. The moment they given on the verification link, once you click on the verification link, automatically you can create on the password.
Password.
You create on the password. And one security question is there. Okay, one security question is there. Change password. See. Okay. You
Okay.
see this one AP16.
Mm-hmm. 2016.
Okay. No. So instance number.
Okay.
Server instance number. And this is the server instance location. Asian
That's
Pacific. Because of
Asia Pacific. Yes.
I'm in India. You
Okay.
login
So
in North
US.
America. If I'm log, if sorry, US means North America region server.
Yeah.
In the same account, I open in the North America. In the server instance will be changed.
Okay.
Okay. This is the Lightning UI. This is the Lightning UI. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Switch to Salesforce Classic. This is the classic UI. This is the classic user interface.
Okay.
Okay. Clear? Have any doubts regarding from this today class?
No.
Tomorrow I can explain on more in depth on the in the Salesforce. I mean organization. What is the
Okay.
setup? What is the home charter libraries and what is this one? What is this? This one. This one. I can explain tomorrow.
Okay. Nanda, the other question I had for you is,
Yeah.
how hard is it to, for me as an individual? I come from some IT background. So you think it'll be easy for me to grasp things?
It is
Because
very easy to 1 second, Melvin.
yeah,
I understood your doubt. Okay. In Salesforce, I already told you now they have two modes is there. One is the declarative development, second one is the programmatical development.
right.
Declarative development, programmatical development. And first
Mm-hmm.
one is a completely focused on the admin part.
Admin part.
Completely focus on the admin part. Okay. Why? Because of except Asia region. In the rest of other Canada, US, UK, these are all the regions. Sorry. If you know perfect in admin, you have the admin certification, you get the job.
Okay.
You get the job.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So first of all, you focus on the admin parts.
Admin
Concept. I explain in development also. I
Okay.
teach on the development part also. Okay. First, initially you starting on the you focusing on the
Admin part.
admin part. Okay.
Because
And
you
it is
know,
very easy.
with yeah, with age, your head starts, your gray cells start graying out. I'm 37 at the moment, so I know I can get things, but again, oh, बोलते ना उसको,
Age is 27.
yeah. Who, me? Yeah, I'm 37.
But your voice is so young.
Who, me? I've been working
Yeah.
in BPO since what, 2002.
2002. At the moment, I'm eighth standard. I'm studying on eighth
Oh, you in
standard.
the eighth?
Yeah,
Awesome.
I'm 28 years old.
Oh, okay. I'm
Yeah.
37. Yeah.
God, you are so young.
So no, again, I'm from Mangalore. We are used to in the IT thing, but then again, when I
Yeah,
look
right
into
now
the
I'm working on the Bangalore. I'm
oh,
also
okay,
working in Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Past I'm working 4 years working in Hyderabad.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm changing on the one. I'm a different company, MNC Capgemini, working on the Capgemini.
Cape Gemini. I've got my friends in Hyderabad who working for Uber. Uh, they all into workforce. They just moved from Saitel, I guess, last year. So
Okay,
most of them are in Uber now.
okay.
hmm
Actually, okay. One thing. What is your preferable timings?
My preferable timings is I want to give my 100%. I spoke
Okay,
to Pawan. No, not Pawan. Who's the other one?
Rajesh. Actually, Rajesh asked about that. What is your preferable times? Because of present night. This is night. Your morning, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So he
You
asked
tell
me
me
about the
when
what
are
is your.
you free?
I'm free after 10 o'clock. Means India timing. After 10 p.m. I'm free.
But you have to sleep as well, right? What's the time now?
11:22.
11:22.
Daily I slept on the 12:30 because of I'm preparing on the IELTS.
So can we do it 11:30 to 12:30 every day, your time, which is one for me. I can
Okay.
at least focus. I can give my focus at around 65 or 70%. Today, I managed focusing around 40% because as I
Okay.
said, I work in a motel, so this guests come in, come out, so I have to put you on mute, and I'm
Yeah.
just
Okay.
yeah,
11:30 to 12:30.
yeah. So which is 1 o'clock here, my time.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. No issues.
Okay, because I
Yeah.
don't have an issue understanding whatever you tell me. I don't have any problems with going through the PPT as well. But the rest is all on my gray cells in the brain.
Actually, this is the theory part, right? So that's the reason I given for this in PPT.
hmm
Shown in the PPT. In the
Right.
rest of all the in the practice part is there. Okay.
Practice,
So
yeah,
they
yeah.
have no theory part I can explain. Okay, just
Okay.
I given for this in that document, I explain what is the definition.
hmm
Okay, but mainly I focusing on the practical sessions only.
Right.
Focusing on the practical sessions only. Okay, I'm
Okay.
not enter everything in definition, everything else. This is the very time waste. You have time waste, I'm the time waste.
I know because
Complete the time waste.
I had one girl who used to work here. She was on an OPT from Hyderabad.
Okay,
She was nil in the information technology, but again she managed to do that.
okay,
She's still working with them, not your consultancy, but with some other consultancy in New Jersey. She never knew
okay,
even to plug in a lanyard behind the
the LAN cable behind the computer. So yeah, I think I can still manage it. Yeah.
Okay, no issues. So
So
11:30 to 12:30. Okay.
your time, yeah, which is 1 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow then,
Yeah. Sure. 11:30. Right.
11:30, which is
Yeah.
1 o'clock
Okay.
my
Okay.
time, 1 ES, which is
And one more
1300
thing,
yours.
Malvin,
Yeah.
please help me one thing.
Yeah.
In your friends have anything?